Hi, I'm Michael. Did you know that by spending 10 minutes configuring user roles can save you hours of maintenance work? This is why we created Visual Composer Role Manager, add-on which allows you to control access to Visual Composer features based on user roles. Before creating Visual Composer, I was working as a web developer, and I know that developers don't want to spend their time by simply updating images or changing text here and there. Now, you can allow your clients to change text and other small things, but restrict them from breaking the site. You can download the Role Manager add-on from the Visual Composer Hub. Now, you can access it from the Visual Composer dashboard in your WordPress admin panel. There, you can enable or disable specific features of Visual Composer for your user roles, like disabling custom CSS and JavaScript for editors and prevent them from adding additional code and keep your website clean. And if you're in a hurry, you can use predefined presets, a true time saver which we created for you. Another feature of Role Manager is Element Lock. It allows you to control which content elements on the page shouldn't be edited by non-administrative users. For example, lock all elements of your page and leave only text block available for editing. It took us a while to develop Role Manager, and I'm really happy that it is live and available for all premium users. Try it out and let us know what you think.